Hi everyone, welcome to Varam Nutra. Today we are going to see a restaurant style chili paneer. Who doesn't love this chili paneer along with naan or pulka or parota? Today we are going to see how it's being made in a very simple way and you can do it within few minutes. So for this you will be needing 200 grams of paneer. So now first let's fry the paneer. So we'll see how we are going to do it. Take a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, little salt and quarter teaspoon pepper powder. Mix everything well. Cut 200 grams of paneer into cubes and coat it in this powder in batches and remove it from the powder and keep it aside. Now keep a pan on the stove, medium flame. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil into it. Now place the paneer in the hot oil for about few minutes. Do not toss around. After a few minutes, slightly toss around and fry till it's golden brown. Do not over fry it. It has to turn very light golden brown. This is what actually we are looking at. Now remove it from the fire. Now paneer is ready for us. Keep a pan in the stove, medium flame. Add about a teaspoon of oil. Add finely chopped garlic pieces, about 1 tablespoon, and saute for a minute. Now add 6 to 8 green chilies. Green chilies and garlic give a great taste and flavor to this recipe. Saute for a minute or two. Now add spring onion white. Saute for a minute or two. I've taken about 1 big onion and cut it into petals. Add and saute it for a minute or two. In this chili paneer, the onion and the capsicum has to be crispy, so do not over saute it. Now add about a cup of capsicum. Saute for a minute or two. Approximately after about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll start adding in the sauces. If you like my videos and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe my channel. Share my videos with your friends and families and hit the like button. Do post your valuable comments in the comments box. Add green chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Add red chili sweet sauce 1 tablespoon, which is purely optional. Add red chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Add soya sauce 1 to 1.5 tablespoon. Add tomato sauce 1 tablespoon. Add Szechuan chutney 1 tablespoon. Now adding all the sauces into it, saute for a minute or two. You can feel a nice aroma of the sauces, garlic and the chili. These sauces already have a lot of salt in it. Add very little salt and little sugar to balance the taste. Add a cup of water. Allow the water to come to boil. Once the water comes to boil, add a tablespoon of corn flour in little water, mix it and add it into this gravy. Allow to boil for a minute. Now your base sauce is ready for the paneer to be added in. Now add the fried paneer and spring onion and just mix everything well and switch off the stove. Do not allow to boil after this point. The paneer should not become soggy. Serve hot with naan or pulka or parotas. I made wheat parota along with this dish. I am serving it with wheat parota. Thanks for watching Varam Nutra.